Millions of people right now are pressing their tongues to the roof of their mouths, hoping to sculpt a chiseled jawline without surgery. It's called mewing, and it's taken the internet by storm. But here's what nobody's telling you. The doctor who invented this technique had his dental license revoked. And the science? It gets even more shocking. If you want the truth about viral health trends backed by actual research, smash that subscribe button. What I'm about to reveal will save you months of wasted effort. Pattern interrupt. Before we dive deep, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why a simple tongue exercise has orthodontists issuing warnings? Why it's linked to a medical misconduct case? And why millions still swear by it? The story behind mewing is stranger than you think, and the scientific evidence might surprise you even more. Everything you're about to hear comes from peer-reviewed medical journals, statements from the American Association of Orthodontists, clinical research from dental institutions, and documented cases from orthodontic professionals. This isn't opinion. This is what the medical community has discovered about one of the internet's most controversial facial transformation techniques. And before we begin, for viewers who care about optimizing health the right way, not through viral fads, check the exclusive link in the description for a limited-time discount on wellness supplements from our partners at the Ageless Protocol. The origin story. So what exactly is mewing? It's a technique named after Dr. John Mew, a British orthodontist who developed it in the 1970s. The concept is deceptively simple. Rest your entire tongue against the roof of your mouth. Keep your lips sealed and let your teeth lightly touch. Hold this position as much as possible throughout the day. According to proponents, this can reshape your jawline, improve facial symmetry, fix breathing issues, and even realign crooked teeth. Sounds amazing, right? Here's where things get complicated. Dr. John Mew had his dental license stripped by the General Dental Council in 2017 at age 89. His son, Dr. Mike Mew, who continued promoting the technique, was expelled from the British Orthodontic Society in 2019. In 2024, Mike Mew was struck from the dental register in the United Kingdom. The reason? Controversial practices and posing potential harm to child patients. But despite this troubling history, mewing exploded on social media around 2019. TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram became flooded with before and after photos showing dramatic transformations. Young people, particularly Gen Z, turned it into a viral trend, even creating hand gestures to indicate they're mewing. The technique promised something everyone wants: a better-looking face without surgery, without braces, completely free. The scientific reality. Now let's talk about what science actually says. The American Association of Orthodontists recently stated that the scientific evidence supporting mewing's jawline sculpting claims is, quote, as thin as dental floss. That's not just skepticism. That's a professional organization reviewing the available research and finding it severely lacking. Multiple systematic reviews have examined mewing and orthotropics, which is the formal name for the practice. Here's what researchers consistently found. There are no credible scientific studies with proper control groups, no randomized clinical trials, and no peer-reviewed research validating that mewing can significantly reshape adult facial bones. Zero. But here's what makes this particularly interesting. The concept behind mewing isn't entirely baseless. Proper tongue posture does play a legitimate role in facial development, especially in young children. The North American Association of Facial Orthotropics notes that orthotropic treatment works best in kids aged 5 to 10 when facial bones are still growing and malleable. It may work for some older children, but results become increasingly limited with age. This is the crucial distinction everyone misses. Influencing facial growth in a 5-year-old whose bones are actively developing? That's scientifically plausible and is actually used by some pediatric dentists. trying to reshape the fully formed facial bones of a 25-year-old through tongue exercises, that's where science draws the line. Why it doesn't work for adults. Adult bones are dramatically different from children's bones. Once you've gone through puberty and your facial skeleton has finished growing, the bones lose their plasticity. They're set. Dental professionals explain that facial structure in adults results from a complex interplay of genetics, bone growth that's already completed, and muscle development that's already established. A simple tongue exercise isn't robust enough to alter established bone structure. Think about it logically. If pressing your tongue against your palate could reshape bones, every orthodontist would be using it instead of braces and surgery. But they're not, because the pressure required to actually move adult facial bones is far greater than what your tongue can generate through casual positioning. Here's an analogy. It's like trying to reshape a hardened clay pot by pressing on it with your fingers. The pot's already fired. It's solid. Your fingers might leave temporary impressions, but you're not fundamentally changing its structure. The before and after deception. So why do so many before and after photos look convincing? Researchers have identified several explanations. First, many people practicing mewing are adolescents whose faces and jaw lines naturally change during puberty, regardless of tongue position. They attribute normal developmental changes to mewing when those changes would have happened anyway. Second, photography tricks play a massive role. Different lighting angles, camera distances, facial expressions, weight loss, and even just learning how to pose better can create the illusion of dramatic facial changes. When you compare two photos taken years apart with different lighting and angles, it's easy to see changes that aren't actually related to mewing. Third, there's the placebo effect and confirmation bias. When people invest months into a practice, they want to see results. They scrutinize their faces looking for changes and often convince themselves they see improvements that objective measurements don't support. The actual risks. Now here's what really concerns medical professionals. Mewing isn't just ineffective for most people, it can actually cause harm. Multiple orthodontic institutions have documented serious risks associated with improper mewing practice. First, teeth misalignment. The tongue is one of the strongest muscles in your body. When you apply uneven pressure to your teeth by forcing your tongue against your palate, you can actually push teeth out of alignment. This can create crooked teeth, gaps, and bite problems that weren't there before. Cleveland Clinic specifically warns that mewing can make your teeth more crooked, not less. Second, temporomandibular joint disorders, known as TMJ. Forcing your tongue into unnatural positions creates strain on your jaw joint and the muscles controlling jaw movement. This can lead to chronic jaw pain, difficulty opening or closing your mouth, clicking sounds when you move your jaw, and headaches. Some dental professionals note that mewing essentially creates the same kind of repetitive stress that causes TMJ problems, similar to chronic teeth grinding. Third, gum recession and enamel erosion. Constant pressure from incorrect tongue positioning can push against your gums, causing them to recede and exposing tooth roots. This increases sensitivity and decay risk. The friction can also wear down tooth enamel, which doesn't regenerate once it's lost. Fourth, speech difficulties. Altering your natural tongue position can affect how you articulate sounds, potentially creating or worsening speech impediments. The irony is striking. People practice mewing hoping to improve their appearance, but improper technique can create dental problems that actually require professional intervention to fix. And those treatments become more complex and expensive because of the damage done. What actually works? So if mewing doesn't work for adults, what does? For children? Between ages 5 and 10, with developing facial structures, professional orthotropic treatment under the guidance of a qualified pediatric dentist or orthodontist can be effective. This isn't DIY mewing from social media, it's supervised treatment using specific appliances, exercises, and monitoring. For adults concerned about jawline definition or facial structure, the evidence-based options include orthodontic treatment with braces or clear aligners for teeth alignment issues, orthognathic surgery for significant jaw misalignment, facial contouring procedures performed by qualified plastic surgeons or maxillofacial specialists, and non-surgical options like dermal fillers or radiofrequency treatments for aesthetic concerns. The key difference? All these approaches have actual clinical research supporting their effectiveness. They're performed by licensed professionals who understand facial anatomy and can minimize risks. Final thoughts. The appeal of mewing is understandable. Who wouldn't want a free, non-invasive way to improve their facial appearance? But medicine doesn't work on wishful thinking. It works on evidence, clinical trials, and proven mechanisms. And by those standards, mewing for adult facial restructuring fails on every count. If you're genuinely concerned about your jawline, bite alignment, or facial structure, the smart move is consulting with a licensed orthodontist or maxillofacial specialist. They can assess your specific situation and recommend treatments that actually work, backed by decades of research and clinical success. Don't let social media trends with no scientific backing waste your time or potentially damage your dental health. Your face deserves better than unproven techniques from discredited practitioners. We have partnered with the Ageless Protocol to give you an exclusive discount on their top-rated health and recovery formulas, designed by experts, backed by science, and trusted by thousands because your health deserves real results, not viral promises. If this video saved you from months of ineffective mewing, hit that like button. Subscribe for more myth-busting content where we separate internet hype from scientific reality. Drop a comment telling me what other viral health trends you want me to investigate. I'm here to give you the truth, even when it's not what the algorithm wants you to hear. See you in the next one.